How to use encryption to protect your data. Encryption is protection of important data from others. This process hides your information into a code that can only be read by someone with the right key. Simply put, it's putting passwords in your files. In this guide, we'll show you how to use encryption to protect your data. Initiating data encryption. Step 1. Understand encryption. Learn about the different types of encryption, such as symmetric and asymmetric encryption, and when to use each. Symmetric encryption uses one key for both encrypting and decrypting data. It's like having one key that both locks and unlocks a box. Fast and simple, but make sure the key is shared safely. Asymmetric encryption uses a pair of keys, one public for encrypting and one private for decrypting. Ideal for secure communications where key sharing is not possible. It's like having a mailbox where anyone can drop something in with a public key, but only you can take it out with your private key. Step 2. Evaluate your data security needs. Assess which data needs protection. This might include files on your computer, emails, or data you store in the cloud. Step 3. Choose the right encryption tools. In this guide, we will be using Encryption, a free encryption software for Windows and Mac as an example. Step 4. Download and install Encryption. Visit the Encryption website. Download the software suitable for your operating system, Windows or Mac, and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, open Encryption. You will be prompted to create an account or login if you already have one. To encrypt files, right-click on the file or folder in Windows Explorer. Select Encryption in the context menu and then choose Encrypt. If you're on the free version, it will automatically use your password on your account. If you're using a premium subscription, it will ask you to create a custom password for the file. Make sure to use a strong password that is difficult to guess. The file will turn into an Encryption logo. To open an encrypted file, double-click the file. Encryption will automatically open the file with your account password. If you're on Premium, Encryption will ask for the password. Enter it, and the file will open after decryption. With Encryption, you can also share encrypted files with others. The recipient will need Encryption and the correct password to decrypt the file. To update or edit an encrypted file, simply decrypt it, make your changes, and encrypt it again. By following this guide, you can protect your data from unauthorized access and ensure privacy. Whether for personal use or business purposes, encryption is a crucial tool in protecting your digital assets.